Alright, before this particular episode starts, I am going to be doing 50 press up because why? I traded with emotion last week. So for that, I have to do 50 press up before this particular episode start. Alright, so stay to end to see how it goes. Alright, so make sure you stay to the end of this particular episode to see how it goes. Alright, see you in my next clip. Alright, this week I traded GBP USD and Euro USD and I lost over 12,000. And in this particular trade, I almost ignored them. Whichever way, watch this video to see how it happened. Alright, chart, show chart your chart so that chart will not forget to chart you. Alright, so it is another banger new week and today it is currently Monday and it is another new week for me to do what I know how to do best as I normally do. Alright, nothing much, and we are just getting this week started. I don't really have much things even in my chart because there's a way the chart is currently moving now that I won't really want to intervene. But I actually have, but I do have some setups. I think on Euro USD, yeah, I have a setup on Euro USD I am currently observing, which I don't know if the chart is going to do my will. Alright, so nothing much. Yeah, welcome to this particular trading week episode. Alright, nothing much. All you just need to do is stay to the end of this particular video so that you can watch it and learn what you have to learn, because I promise you everything I am documenting in this particular episode or in my trading episode is actually going to make you see trading for what it is and not what people portray online. Alright, so I'm actually documenting it to just show you the reality of trading and all that. Nothing much. So the week is just getting started and I just have some opportunities that I'm looking. I think one or two, but I'll take you to the chart later on so I can also share the chart with you. Alright, I'll show you my chart as I normally do. Alright, so nothing much. You are welcome to this particular episode once again, and all you just need to do is stay to the end so you can see what I have, how this week is going to go, if I'm going to take a trade this week or if I'm going to end up not taking a trade this particular week. I don't really know for now, but at the ending of the week is going to tell. So to know, you just need to stay to the end. Alright, learn what you want to learn, contribute what you want to contribute, and also ask what you want to ask. Nothing much. Alright, I'm just going to see you in my chart and nothing much. Alright, so chart, show chart your chart so that chart will not forget to chart you. And again, what I'm going to be documenting in this particular episode is actually my trading setup, the type of setups I take. You will see it, my profit or loss, how I manage my trade emotionally and psychologically, and all that. Nothing much. Alright, so it is what it is, and the week is just getting started. Yeah, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, I'm just going to do what I know how to do best. That is just what I know. Alright, see you in my chat, and make sure you do to like and comment. You can ask any question in the comment section. You can contribute as well. Alright, if there's anything you want me to add, you can put it in the comment section. Alright, not too much, and see you in my chat. Alright, for EURUSD, I actually marked this particular zone, this particular opportunity earlier this week, which is like on Sunday. But price hasn't done this thing when I marked it. I think, yeah. Price hasn't really done all this stuff when I marked it. So in this particular EURUSD trade, I'll actually be waiting for price to find its way to this particular zone before I sell EURUSD to the downside. Because why? I can clearly identify that there is the price is kind of going down. So trying to look for buys this time around, I just have to avoid it. Alright. So I have this sell opportunity I'm observing on EURUSD after marking out my structural break to the downside, my liquidity, and my point of interest, which is my order block. Alright, so I'll be observing this particular opportunity and see when price is going to get here before I sell. My pending order has also been set for this particular trade, nothing much. So for XAUSD, I really don't have anything on that pair, but I'll just show you. So for this pair, okay, I have this buy opportunity. I'm also observing on XAUSD, which is gold. I have this buy opportunity I'm observing. So I would like to buy from this particular zone whenever price get there. But you see, price has been going to the upside. So I don't really know when it's going to get here, but it's going to take a couple of days. But whichever way, anytime it wants to come this particular zone, I will be buying. Whichever way, price is still finding itself its way to the upside at the moment. So there's no any clear opportunity actually on XAUSD right now. It is what it is. So nothing much. And I've updated you guys on my 3 pair. So just see how it goes, alright? Nothing much. So chat, should chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. I'll just have to see you in my next clip. Alright, chat, should chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so it is currently Tuesday 5 p.m. in this particular week, and the chart is just doing its thing. Alright, I'm not taking any trade this particular week because I don't know, probably there's no much money in the market at the moment. So the chart is just doing its thing, and also this particular trading condition is not actually really nice based off my trading system. So I don't have anything to do about it rather than just sit back and actually look. I have like 2 opportunities that I have showed you guys on EURUSD. and also GBP USD. So it is going to take time. I know it is going to take time for price to actually get to those zones, but whichever way, as I normally say, patience pays the dollar. So all I just have to do is, even in this slow momentum in trading, all I just have to do is just focus on being patient and waiting for price to get to my zone, nothing much. So I'm kind of even now feeling bored this particular week because I have not taken any trades and I have goals to achieve before the month ends. But sometimes you just need to dance to the tune of the market, so it will just help you and separate you from taking impulsive decisions. Because I've experienced these thoughts like so many times, like when you tend to chase trades, to just make you to start trading out of FOMO. And I won't lie to you, none of those trades actually works. None of them actually do work. So nothing much. It's currently 5 p.m. on Tuesday, and all I just do is sit back and watch the market. Nothing much. Alright, so I'm going to update you on my chart to show you what chart is currently doing, and I believe it's because of last week NFP and even this week CPI. That's the reason why the chart is kind of just being slow, and also the market condition is currently downtrending. So this type of market condition doesn't really work with my system that much. So I'm just going to be much on staying patient and watching, nothing really much. So I've not really done anything in this episode, but if you are enjoying anything about this episode, make sure you comment below, and if you have any questions to ask, if you have any contribution, you can comment below. Alright, I'm always active in the comment section and I always answer you. Alright, nothing much, and let me take you to my chart to update you on what is currently going on in the chart. Alright, nothing much for this week, and it is another banger week. I know I'm going to catch a winning trade this week though, but I don't really know when. Mainly my trades come on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, so I'm just going to probably just keep staying and observing until price get to my zone, and I will know what will happen, if I'm going to end in a win or if I'm going to end in a loss. Though I don't have any power controlling the market, all I just do is just maintain my plan, follow my risk management, and see the result. Alright, nothing much. Alright, nothing much, and the time is currently 5:38 p.m. on Wednesday. Alright, nothing much. So in this particular week, I can just see this is really what price has done this particular week. This is really what price has actually done this particular week. So nothing much, no big deal. It is just what it is. In times like this, all you just need is just sit back and just observe. Nothing really much. So I'm actually just waiting for price to get to this particular zone, right? Though I find it too hard taking these entries, because but whichever way, in this particular one, it should be an A+ setup. So I'll just wait and see some reaction in this particular zone, then I will enter for a sell in order to get to this particular zone. Nothing much. So for now, I have the opportunity, I have the setup looking at it, but I still need the confirmation entry before I fall in whenever price get to this particular zone. For GBP USD, nothing much. So for EURUSD, this is what I'm just observing as well. Like I said earlier, I want to buy when price get to this particular, I want to sell when price get to this particular zone aggressively. So if price continue to buy and it get to this zone, I'll be selling from this particular zone. Nothing really much for EURUSD, but I'm actually seeing my demon entry here. I'm actually seeing my demon entry. I don't know, like this trend reversal entry. I don't know why, like with the experiences I've faced with it, it has traumatized me. It has traumatized me. That is not my taking loss is not my problem, but like losing with trend reversal entry is like my problem. I hate losing in that stuff, in this particular stuff. I hate losing in it. It's better I lose in a trend structures than actually losing in a trend reversal structures. So I'm seeing this particular market structure shift here, and this thing as time is behaving. I don't know if the battery is low. I'll just check it out. So, and this is the other block, and price has not mitigate the other block. Price doesn't mitigate it. So, and guess what? This particular setup is actually coming from an higher time frame demand zone. But I just really, though I've already taken an entry like this last week, which I was wrong about, and I lose that particular trade. As you can see, there's everything complete in this particular setup. So I'll just think I'll consider risking in it. Although I have so many accounts, so I'll just consider risking in it in one of my accounts and see how it goes. If I end up losing it, it is what it is. This is why it is called trading forex. You need to lose in order to win. So nothing really much. This particular setup is coming from this particular higher time frame demand zone, and that is the reason why I see it as a zone, as a potential zone for buyers. I see it as a potential zone for buyers, and I think I'm going to risk in this particular setup. Nothing much. So I'm going to set my pending order after this particular clip, and we will see how it goes. All right. So the other block is for 1 hour. 1 hour other block. So then my pips risk is actually, I'll be risking 25 pips on this particular one. I think that's gonna be okay. Then targeting 1 to 3 hours, which is somewhere around the zone. So nothing much. This is what I'm just observing on EURUSD. It's a trend reversal entry to the upside. So I'm considering risking in this particular trade and let the result unfold itself. If it ends to be a wrong entry, no problem. But if it happens to be a win, it is what it is. Alright, nothing much. And for gold, I don't really have anything on this particular gold this week. I don't really have anything in this particular pair this week. The pair has just been doing its thing, but with what I can see right here, with what I can see clearly right here, is that there's actually a zone for buyers here. Alright, there's actually a zone for buyers here. There's a zone for buyers right there, and here is the structural break to the upside. So nothing really much for this pair, and here is the structural liquidity and all that. So there is a zone for buyers at this particular point, which I'll also consider risking as well. So in this particular week, I have opportunities. This particular Wednesday, like I told you, my trade usually comes on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, my opportunities. So I've spotted this particular good opportunity which I'm going to be risking on, and also EURUSD trend reversal buy, which I'm also going to be risking on as well. And let's just see how it goes. Alright, nothing really much. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to be unfolding trades opportunity for you, and it is going to be sharpening your brain on how to catch, do your market. Alright, nothing much. And chat, should chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so the time is currently 9:30 a.m. on Thursday morning. So I woke up around 8 o'clock and I saw that this trader has been activated, and as you can see, the trade is currently doing its thing. So nothing much. I'll just sit back and observe this particular trade to see what it is going to unfold. Alright, so this is just quick update on XAUSD trade. So for GBP USD, there is this zone I also spotted out on GBP USD. I will want to buy from this particular zone. So I want to buy from this zone whenever price gets to this particular zone. Nothing much. So for EURUSD, price is currently at the zone I want to buy from. Price is currently at this particular zone, so I'm not yet in this trade, but if I ended up entering this particular EURUSD trade, I will update you guys. But for now, I'm not yet in the trade. I'm still observing it. Like I told you, I don't like to trade trend reversal entry. I'm still trying my best not to play by its tune, but whichever, if I see some confidence in this particular EURUSD trade, I'll be in it. So the only trade I'm officially in now is XAUSD, and as you can see, the chart is doing its thing. Alright, so nothing much, and I'll keep you guys updated. I always keep you guys updated. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Chat, should chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, nothing much, and it is quick update on EURUSD. And as you can see, I'm currently in this particular EURUSD trade at the moment. So I've seen the confluence I will want to see before I buy, and I'm currently in it. So let me just see how this particular trade is going to unfold itself. Alright, nothing much. So the trade is officially active at the moment, and it is what it is. So it's service is kind of creepy at the moment. So update on EURUSD. So on EURUSD, this is what I'm officially seeing in this particular pair at the moment. So the price is kind of finding its way to the upside, nothing much. And let's just see how this particular one ends as well. So 2 trades now are officially active, nothing really much. Alright, quick one here. So one thing I've actually realized about this particular January, this particular trading season in January, is that the market is making me to trade against the trend unconsciously. I am looking for buying opportunity while the market is actually trending to the downside. And I won't even lie, I don't like to trade against the trend because I know that it's also actually going to make you take losing trade. No much big deal about it. But do you know why I'm actually buying? Where price is currently at the moment is the zone that is a path that actually shows that buyers should be there. And for these reasons, you see this MSS structure everything. This particular structure have made me to lose like countless of time. Even in a week, I am not supposed to take any loss. You see this MSS stuff, I won't lie, it has made me lose, like take trades that will just end up making me to sabotage my week and all that. So I don't really know what to do about this particular structure. If I'm just going to stop trading it entirely, or I'll just keep doing my thing, because this structure I've actually catch winning trades with it. But it's just that the one that is going to work, you can never just know. It is very, very hard to actually know the one that is going to work. That's why I just keep finding myself trying to play to anyone I see. And the painful part is that I wouldn't have entered this opportunity if this opportunity is just forming itself. This ones I'm actually entering that has caused me losing from the beginning of this month, which is 1st of January, has actually been coming from a demand zone. Same thing on 2 of my pairs, EURUSD and GBP. These two structures have made me have series of losing trades this particular month, and they're actually coming from a higher time frame demand zone, which signifies that okay, this MSS, this market trend reversal structure, is actually a valid one. So for that, I find myself trying to trade them and I keep failing. But nothing much. The amount of losses I've taken in this particular month, I wouldn't have taken it if I am not trading it. But it is what it is. This is just the market condition I find myself, and I just need to learn from it. Nothing really much. If not, my way of trading actually give me winning streaks, 4 winning streaks, 5 winning streaks, 6 winning streaks. But whenever the market condition turns, I tend to find myself taking trades that will just later on thinking and realizing that I'm not supposed to take this trade, or I'm not supposed to trade this trade. But that is just what it is. This is trading for you. You can never be 100% right. All you just do is just respect your trading plan, follow your risk management plan, and leave the market to do its thing. Nothing really much. So I just said, okay, I should just say these things, because why? I've actually took losses in this particular trading month more than I have won. But it is what it is. I'm just going to do what I know how to do best. And currently it's currently 5 30 something p.m. on Thursday, and I'm currently on XAUSD trade up to now. That trade actually reversed even below my entry point after giving me close to 2 hours, but that's not my target. So it is what it is. I'm still in that trade. I don't even know if that trade is going to end up becoming a winning trade or if it is going to be a losing trade. That is just it. So whichever way, XAUSD trade is still active for me. Nothing really much. So I'm just going to see my chart and chat. Should chat your chart so that chat will not forget to chat you. See you in my chat, fam. Alright, chat. Should chat your chart so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, so today is currently Friday and the time is 11:27 a.m. and this is currently the update on my XAUSD trade. Nothing much. So as you can see, this particular trade has been a very hell of a trade. Like I said, I'll be documenting each and every experience I'm going to be passing through in my trading. So this is one of like the trade that has given me a very drastic and bad experience this particular week. Nothing really much. So as you can see, with all this chart is currently doing, I believe you know that this particular trade has not been an easy trade. I believe you really know. Nothing really much. So I just said that I should update you on this particular trade. I don't know, like till now, I don't know if this trade is going to end up becoming a winning trade or if it is going to end up becoming a losing trade. But whichever way, I've already in this particular trade, I have already reduced my risk because this trade has already given me over close to 2 hours. This trade has already given me over close to 2 hours. So trades like this are not trades that I want to actually lose everything I risk. So I've actually reduced my risk in this particular trade and I will just let it to do what it wants to do. It might end up playing out next week, I don't know. But whichever way, I'm just going to keep updating you guys on this particular trade. Nothing really much. See you in my next clip. Alright, chat. Should chat your chart so that chat will not forget to chat you. Alright, nothing really much, and it has come to the end of this particular trading week episode, and nothing really much. So in this particular end, I'm just going to recap on the trades I took this particular week and why I lost those particular trades. Alright, so here is, I'll first start by EURUSD, which I think it is not the first trade I actually took, but it is the first on my list. So here is EURUSD, and one thing I figured out is that in this particular trading season, which is January, price has been trending down ever since January, but I have been trying to buy using market structure shift entry. You see this particular entry, they're actually a threat to my trading system, but they are among my trading system, but it is a threat to my trading system. I won't even lie to you. So I tried taking these trend reversals entry and all that, but they tend to fail me this particular season because the market is actually trending down. And this is one of the reasons why you need to like know when trend is happening, so you won't end up taking high probability opportunities and end up losing them, because these opportunities are actually high probabilities opportunities, but I ended up losing them just because of why chart is actually trending to the downside. And I won't say I did not see this trend. I won't really lie that I did not see this trend, but the reason why I'm actually falling to the trap is because last week the same thing that happened still repeated itself this particular week, and that is why I fall for the trap. Last week price mitigated an external demand zone at this particular point and gave an MSS here. I tried buying and it ended up failing me. Same thing happened. I said, okay, since that zone is not going to work, this particular zone can still work. So price ended up mitigating that demand zone. It is on 4 hours. So and still gave the same MSS and even gave this particular structure more clearly than the previous one. I said, okay, since last week did not hold, this week might hold. So trading is full of probabilities, even if you are trading an high probabilities opportunity. So nothing really much. I ended up being wrong, and it is what it is. So my losing streak is actually because I am trading against this particular trend in this particular trading season. So from next week, I don't know if I'll start looking for sales opportunity, because currently market has clearly showed me that it is going to the downside. So it is what it is for EURUSD, and here is the trade, and here is how I lost it. Nothing really much. So for GBP USD, same thing. Like this, if you watch my previous episode, what happened last week was the same thing I faced this particular week. So here is why I also lose GBP USD. Price is also trending. Okay, price has not really get to a zone that I'll say that okay, it has started trending down. So this particular opportunity, you can see price came to this same demand zone. I'm not just taking the entry just because I see them. I'm taking them because they're actually coming from an higher time frame zone, which shows that they should actually be highly in probability, or whichever way I can speak that English. So price mitigated this particular zone and gave that particular market structure shift entry, and it told me that okay, there are buyers in the market at the moment. So I decided to mark it out, though I was seeing the setups and I was ignoring it. But later on I see that okay, if this particular opportunity happens to play out and I'm not in it, it is going to be like in this trading is very hard though, because there are some opportunities that you won't want to enter because you think that opportunity is not an high probability opportunity. But because you are trying to respect your plan, if that particular opportunity happens to play out, see, I won't lie to you, you will hate yourself, and you also hate the way you trade, and that thing can lead to more losses. So to avoid that particular feeling, I say okay, I'm just going to risk in this particular 2 trades, and that is what people call FOMO. But me, I don't see it as FOMO, because these opportunities are highly profitable and I don't want to just miss it out. Instead, I'm just going to maintain my risk in it, because trading is full of uncertainty. You can say you won't trade it and it will end up playing out. So I decided to risk on those trades, and I did not risk much on it because I know that yes, these are not a very good setup for me. So as you can see, I ended up losing it, and it is what it is. So I took over 3 trades this particular week, and I ended up winning. I did not win anyone. The one I was supposed to win was XAUUSD, and I'm going to update you on that particular pair right now. So here is XAUUSD. All right. So here is the opportunity on XAUUSD. So XAUUSD is clearly moving to the upside, even without having an all-time high. So at the moment, XAUUSD is kind of creating an all-time high. So I spotted this particular opportunity out, and I said okay, this is a high probability opportunity. And as you can see, price actually came to the zone, reacted multiple times in this particular zone, and I thought it was going to be a winning trade. But later on, price started to do something like this, consolidating and all that, and I said that this trade might not actually hold on. Then you know what I did? I ended up reducing my risk, and still end up setting a break even. So on my 2 accounts, I entered this trade on. I ended up not making anything in that account. In the 10,000 account, I ended up not making anything. I think I will show you my P&L, and also in the 5,000 account, I ended up not making anything. I'll show you the P&L as time goes on. So nothing really much for this week. It has come to the end of this particular episode, and I won't say this week is a bad trading week for me. No, I don't actually. Weeks that chart is just giving me losses, I don't count it as a bad week. I just count it as a normal week, because winning and losing in this particular trading forex. It is just a normal thing. You can never fight the market, regardless of how disciplined you are. When a losing trade wants to come, it is just going to come. You can never avoid it. So I ended up losing these trades, and it is something I can't avoid, because trying to avoid it, you might end up missing out a trade, not really much. So as you can see, it ended up going to the downside, and setting my break even actually helped me in this particular trade, not really much. So it is a great week for me, and the reason why it is a great week for me is because I followed my plan as I am expected to. You remember last week I did not follow my plan because I ended up trading with emotions due to what happened earlier. But in this particular week, I hold myself and make sure that I followed my plan in a disciplined way, and the week happened to be a great week for me, not really much. So it is what it is, and it has come to the end of this particular episode. And make sure you do well to subscribe to this particular channel if you are enjoying this type of content, and if this content is actually teaching you something in your trading and making you to see trading in a way that you know that, okay, yeah, this is how trading operates. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out whenever I drop videos like this. All right, and make sure you like this video, and in the comment section you can contribute what you want to contribute, and you can also ask any question, and I'm always there to answer you. All right, nothing really much. So if you want to know the propfirm I trade, one of the propfirm I trade, which is a Naira trader, all you just need to do is check the description. All right, check the description, and you will see my link over there, which you can use to access this Naira trader. So you can just tap it, open your account, get your account, verify it. No, you don't need to verify it. You need to verify when you've passed phase 1 and phase 2. So you just open your account, buy an account with them, and I won't lie to you, you are going to enjoy it because it is Naira and it is easy to trade, and it is easy to pass. You just need if you are trading a 400k account, you just need 40,000 naira to pass phase 1 and also pass phase 2 and get funded. That's how simple it is. If you are trading 800,000 naira, you just need 80,000 naira to pass phase 1 and phase 2. And their drawdown is just 20% of the account. So whichever amount of account you are going to be getting, you can do the multiplication and see that it is very, very good propfirm for you to trade with. All right, so if you are still finding a reliable propfirm to trade with, Naira trader got you covered, and you can check the link in my description to access your own account. All right, nothing really much. I do appreciate you if you stay to the end of this particular episode, and it shows that you are going to become one of the professional traders in Nigeria like me. All right, nothing really much, and see you in my next episode. All right, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. See you in my next episode, fam.